Hey guys, I'm going to show you a quick fix on how to clean out one of your volume pods here on the amp. And if you're having the same trouble as me, I already know that it's this volume right here that is giving me trouble. Let me show you an example. You see how it cuts off? Usually, it doesn't cut off, so the pot's probably dirty or grimy. I'm going to go ahead and clean it, and I'm going to show you guys how. Alright, first, I already know it's this volume is giving me trouble, so I shut off the amp. I make sure it's all the way down, the volume's all the way to the left down, and I'm gonna squirt maybe some WD-40 in there. If worse comes to worse, I'm gonna have to unscrew this here and possibly clean it out with the air can. I might do that first and then squeeze in the WD-40 just to loosen the grime and dirt in there and hopefully get the everything working again. Alright, so I'm going to use an air can. Next, I'm going to get the WD-40. Before you begin, make sure you have a nice little towel around your components, because you don't want anything going onto your amp, any grease or anything like that. You don't want any stains. So let me go ahead and spray it inside here. Hopefully this works. Let's clean that up right there. Now what you want to do is move it around all the way to 10, back to 0, all the way to 10, back to 0, back and forth, just to loosen everything up. So what I'm going to do is, I already have it at 0, and I'm going to turn it on, and we'll take it from there and see what happens. Alright, the amp is on, so I'm going to turn a little bit of volume up. Okay, still giving that trouble. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to loosen this. Hopefully I can loosen it and then maybe squirt some more WD-40. Alright, so I unloosened the screw here, and I'm going to spray some more WD-40 inside. Clean that up. Loosen it around. Hopefully it can get in there. If not, if worse comes to worse, I will have to take out these screws on top and then take it out from the back, which I don't want to, and it's going to be a pain in the ass. So let's go ahead and see at least if this works. Let's go ahead and turn it all the way to 10, back to 0. Let's see if this works. Alright, I turned it on, and let's see here. Alright. Okay, so it seems to be working. If you're having any trouble, remember, just take out the knob. Take out the little screw right here. Spray WD-40 inside to get all the grime up in there loose and all that stuff. And your amp should be working fine. If you're still having trouble, make sure it's not your other knobs or your other volume knob. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. You guys have the same problem too? Alright, man. Take care.